to all the dear students. This is chapter number 3, rational numbers, part 3, in which I will explain you exercise 3b of some of the questions and exercise 3c, multiplication and division of rational numbers. So learn it carefully, all the dear students. Hello all my dear students. This is chapter number 3, rational numbers, exercise 3b. So I will start this exercise from question number 7, first part. The first part is the sum of two rational numbers is 8 by 7. If one of the rational numbers is 1 by 14, find the other. So you can read the question from your textbook. So you are given rational number sum. So we want to find one more number. So we let the other number which we want to find out. So I take let the other number be x. So now we add one number 1 upon 14 and x, so that the sum is 8 by 7. So students, to get this x value, I will take this 1 by 14 on other side. So this 8 by 7 as it is, it will not change its place. Only this 1 by 14 from left to right when we take, तो हो जाएगा minus 1 by 40. We change its sign. Now this is fraction subtraction. So now we take the LCM. You see what is the method to take LCM? That we have to make the denominators equal here. So 14 is LCM. I am writing LCM is equal to 14. So यहाँ पे हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा और यहाँ पे 1 से. That always I used to write in the bracket, and you people also used to write this in the bracket. Then there will be never a mistake. अभी x की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, तो ये 2 को हमें ऊपर 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और ये 1 को 1 से. So 8 2 हो जाएगा 16 minus 1 upon this LCM we will write as 40. So 16 minus 1, 15 upon 40. So this is the other number which we asked to find out in question number 7 first. And you can also convert this into mixed fraction like this, students. Okay, so this is very easy kind of question, you see. Now question number 2. So what number should be added? 2 minus 6 by 11 so as to get 4 by 9. So this is same type of question, students. I am explaining you. Then you solve it by yourself. Okay. So you see, कौन सा नंबर अगर हम -6 by 11 में ऐड करेंगे तो मिल जाएगा 4 by 9. सो मैं इसके लिए भी ले रहे लेट द नंबर बी x. ये नंबर हम ऐड करेंगे. ओके, किस में ऐड करेंगे? तो -6 by 11 में अगर x ऐड कर दिया तो मिल जाएगा 4 by 9. ऐसा हमें दिया गया है. देख लो आप, वैसा ही क्वेश्चन हो गया सेम टू सेम जैसा मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया है आपको. अब स्टूडेंट्स, ये x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है आपको, तो -6 by 11 जो है वो राइट साइड चला जाएगा, तो माइनस से ये प्लस हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज 4 by 9 plus 6 by 11. Now you see, we take the LCM of 9 and 11 and solve this question. So I think you all can solve this by yourself. I am leaving it to you. Now I am taking third part of question number 7. See here, what number should be subtracted from -8 by 50 so as to get -5 by 6. So okay, here students, आपको सेपरेट करना है. ये दोनों में हमें ऐड करना था, तो यहाँ पे सेपरेट करना है. नो प्रॉब्लम. सो लेट द नंबर बी x. फिर से हम वही मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं कि कोई एक नंबर सपोज x है जो हम सेपरेट करेंगे. सो व्हाट नंबर शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम? किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? -8 by 15 में से हम x सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो वी गेट -5/6। तो हमें क्या वैल्यू लानी है, x की वैल्यू लानी है यहाँ पे। सो व्हाट वी डू, ये -x हम यहाँ पे ही रखेंगे, -5/6 भी यहीं पे रहेगा, -8/15 जो है वो राइट साइड लेके आएंगे तो वो प्लस हो जाएगा, +8/15। ओके, now we take the LCM of 6 and 15. I think all of you are familiar now the method how to take LCM. So I am writing directly, students, as I know 30 is the LCM of this. So I am writing here 6 5s and 15 2s. I am also writing the LCM is 30 here, right? Directly I can find. So I am finding. You people can use your rough work. So you can find 6 and 15's LCM. अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये 5 जो मैंने ब्रैकेट में लिखा है उससे न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये जो 2 है उसको भी न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो ये आ गया हमारे पास 5 5 -25 और ये है 8 2 16 और उसका डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा 30। अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे हम, दैट इज 9 हो जाएगा, बड़े नंबर का साइन होगा और वो है -25, तो इसका भी -9 हो जाएगा। 9 जो हमारा -x का वैल्यू है ना, तो दोनों साइड पे अगर नेगेटिव आंसर आता है तो इट चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव, लाइक 9/30 x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी हमको 9/30। और इसको आप रिड्यूस भी कर सकते हो, जैसे 3 3s 10 3s, इट मीन्स यू कैन रिड्यूस योर आंसर टू 3/10। तो 7th क्वेश्चन के तीनों आंसर्स हमें मिल गए हैं यहाँ पे। फर्स्ट जो आंसर आया है वो है x की वैल्यू ये रही 15/14, जो कि ऐड करने से हमें 8/7 मिल जाएगा। वैसे ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो है उसका आंसर हमें मिला है, आप फाइंड करेंगे अपने आप। देखो ये मेथड मैंने शो की है, आपको अभी इसका एलसीएम लेके इसको सॉल्व करना है तो आपको भी इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा। और जो थर्ड पार्ट है इन विच वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर, सो उसका आंसर ये रहा हमारे पास 3/10 बाय कैंसलिंग। आपको पता है ना सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लाने का, तो ये सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में हम लेके आए हैं, सो x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 3/10। I think all of you understand question number 7 solutions. Now we start exercise 3B question number 8. अब what should be added to 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/5 to get 4? So वही method, so let x be added. So we write here 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/5 प्लस x, अगर ये ब्रैकेट में x ऐड करे टू गेट क्या मिलेगा, 4 मिल जाएगा। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स वी विल सॉल्व दिस ब्रैकेट। द एलसीएम ऑफ दिस ब्रैकेट इज 30, so I write here 15 2s 10 3s and 5 6 30, राइट। 2 3 5 का एलसीएम मैंने ले लिया है जो कि है 30। अब वही नंबर ऊपर भी ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मिलेगा 15 प्लस 10 प्लस 6 अपॉन 30, एलसीएम इज 30, राइट, प्लस x is equal to 4. So this is the bracket, we must solve it first. So अब let us take the addition of this, that is 6 plus 5 11 31/30 plus x is equal to 4. अब 4 के डिनोमिनेटर nothing is given, we can write 1. To get x value now I will take this 31/30 on right hand side. So 4/1 minus 31/30. So we can take LCM again here. You see LCM of 30 and 1 is 30 only. So multiplying here by 30 and here by 1. So I get here 120 minus 31 upon 30. So we get our answer as, you see 120 minus 31. So we get here 89. So here 89 by 30. So this is how we found answer number 8, that is 89 by 30. Now move on to next question. Question number 9. Simplify. So this is the simplify question. Here we are given some numbers, minus 5 by 6, minus 7 upon minus 8, plus 11 by 12, minus 1 by 6, plus 0, minus 7, minus 16. You see, so many signs are given to you. So let us solve it first, changing the sign. This minus 5 by 6 keeping same, do not change. यहाँ पे माइनस और यहाँ पे भी माइनस, माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस ही है, नो चेंज. Here again minus minus plus 1 by 6. See students, 0 को आप कोई भी नंबर में ऐड करो या सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, there is no meaning of the 0. So ये 0 को हम निकाल सकते हैं यहाँ से. और नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है minus 7 minus 16. Upside down both the way, if you have negative sign then it become positive, and there is one more negative sign, so I am writing minus 7 by 16. So you see, first of all we have transformed our question in a simplest sign form. Now what we do, we can take whole over all LCM, or that is the best way I think to take the whole as LCM. So 6, 8, 12, 16 ये सारे नंबर्स है. यहाँ पे आप देखो 6, 8, 12, 16. सो ये सारे नंबर्स को एलसीएम ले रहे हैं 2 से. 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Again by 2, 1 and 2. This remains as it is. Now by 2 again. So here it become 1. And by 3, 1, 1, 1, everything. So this is the LCM we found here. It is 2, 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 3s are, that is 48. So this is the LCM we found here. So 48 लाने के लिए 6 को 8 से, 8 को 6 से, 12 को 4 से, 12 4s are 48, no? That is why. And 6, 8 and 16 3s are 48. So now let me rub this part. So LCM, I think you understand how to find out. So I am rubbing this now. So you see now, I will write again what is the LCM we found here. LCM is equal to 48. Okay. अब क्या करेंगे? This number we have. So students, here by multiplying 8 minus 5 we get minus 40, 6 7s are 42, 4 11s are 44, 8 1s are 8 and minus 7 3s are 21. Now the denominator is as our LCM, that is 48. Now students, to solve this addition and subtraction, first of all we add all the positive numbers. So I have added 42, 44 and 8, so that I get 94. And now I am adding this negative numbers also, because as you know, negative we can add and put the same sign. So 40 and 21 is 61 with minus sign, and denominator is same 48. Now we subtract this 94 minus 61, so that I get 33 by 48. So this is our final answer, simplify. Students, many of the students are making mistake here. They do not change this minus minus here, and so they do not get the correct answer. So the first step is very important. सबसे पहले आपको जहाँ पे माइनस माइनस 2 बार है उसका प्लस कर देना है. यहाँ पे भी ऊपर नीचे माइनस है ना, तो वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा और उसके आगे और एक माइनस है. So plus minus become minus. Like that, this is very important to understand. I hope everybody understand question 8 and 9. Now students, let us start our new topic, that is multiplication of rational numbers. So now this is very important concept for this year and for your next standards. So learn it carefully students. I am taking any two fractions, like suppose x by y multiply z by q. ऐसा कोई भी मैंने नंबर ले लिया है. तो अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, देन व्हाट डू? वी मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर्स एंड वी मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर्स. नाउ लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल हियर. एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. लेट द टू फ्रैक्शंस बी दिस वे, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Then how do we multiply them? So I take multiplication of the numerator 1 and 3 and the multiplication of denominators 2 and 4. So here 1 3s are 3 and 4 2s are 8. This is the answer of the multiplication of these two rational numbers. That is 3 by 8. So this is very simple students. One more thing, you must have heard the reciprocal word, no? If you not have heard, then I am explaining you that what is reciprocal. Reciprocal लेना है, कोई भी फ्रैक्शन ले लो आप. सपोज यहाँ पे 5 by 7 है, तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल है 7 by 5. मीन्स न्यूमरेटर, जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर आ जाएगा और न्यूमरेटर है वो डिनोमिनेटर आ जाएगा. तो उसको बोलते हैं रेसिप्रोकल. सपोज अब ले लो कोई भी नंबर है 2, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल अब 2 है, तो वी कैन राइट 1 इन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ इट. सो इट्स रेसिप्रोकल विल बी 1 by 2. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ? जब भी रेसिप्रोकल लेना है तो हम कैसे ले सकते हैं? ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, कि अगर रेसिप्रोकल और वो फ्रैक्शन अगर उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमें हमेशा आंसर में क्या मिलेगा? वी गेट ऑलवेज 1 एज द आंसर. यू सी, दिस इज 2 and this is 1 by 2. If I multiplied them, then I get 1 as my answer. Okay, now let us move on to next topic, that is division of rational numbers. So here I am writing division of rational numbers. So after learning these two operations, you can do your next exercise very easily. So division, whenever you take division, suppose x by y divided by z by w. ओके, तो हमको अगर डिवीजन करना है ये दो फ्रैक्शंस का, देन हाउ डू वी डू? तो x by y जो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है वो एज इट इज रखना है, नो चेंज इन इट. बट द नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन वी विल टेक मल्टीप्लाई साइन फर्स्ट एंड टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ इट. रेसिप्रोकल लेना मीन्स जो डिनोमिनेटर है दैट विल कम एज न्यूमरेटर एंड व्हाटएवर द न्यूमरेटर विल कम एज डिनोमिनेटर. और ये जो डिवीजन का साइन है दैट विल चेंज टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन in our division of rational numbers. Now let us take one more example of this. Example से आपको ज्यादा clear हो जाएगा. तो now 3 by 5. This is the fraction I have taken divided by 1 by 2. I want to solve this. So how do I solve this? This is 3 by 5 as it is. This division will change into multiplication. And this 1 by 2 I take the reciprocal. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. Okay, so now we multiply it 3 2s are 6 and 5 1s are 5. So this is how we divide these two fractions, or you can say the rational numbers. Students, rational numbers are nothing but the fractions only. But here they can be sometimes negative, sometimes positive also. So this is how you can take their division and multiplication. Now whenever we see our exercise 3C, then this criteria will be more clear to you. Now let us start our exercise 3C. So in 3C exercise, our first question is multiply. Students, in this question we are given 4 sub questions, 1 2 3 4. So I will solve the hard part for you. Okay, so मैं आपके लिए थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूंगी. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन you all have to solve by yourself. Okay, so now 11 by 12 by minus 8 by 15. By, what is the meaning by? Multiply 11 by 12 by minus 8 by 15. So I write here multiply sign in between. Now students, if some numbers can be cut upside down, so we can cut. अब देखो ऊपर minus 8 है, 12 है. They both are in the table of 4, means they both are divisible by 4. So I write 4 2s are and 4 3s are. Right. So now 11 multiply minus 2. What I have left with in numerator 11 and minus 2. And denominator is 3 multiply 15. So now what I get? 11 2s are minus 22 and 15 3s are 45. So this way you get your answer number 3. Now I take number 4. So for that, minus 9 by 13 by 65 upon minus 3. So this is the question number 4. Now to solve this, students, we will first check whether it is possible to cut any number. Yes. So 13 5s are 65 and 3 3s are 9. So what I left in the numerator? Here is minus 3 and here is minus 5. So minus 5, from where we get this minus sign? You see, in the denominator it is minus 3, which will be now in converted to numerator. So ये minus sign हम लिख लेंगे 5 के साथ. So now if both the numbers are negative, minus minus plus. So 5 3s are 15. So this way I get my answer number 4. So students, now you understand how to multiply any numbers. So similarly students, you can also solve this other two questions of multiplication by yourself. Now I am taking second multiplication. So that is second part, multiply. Okay, there are also 4 questions in this one, second part. So from that I will take last two, third and fourth. So the third question here is 28 upon minus 9 by means multiply minus 27. Now nothing given in the denominator, we can put 1. And 9 3s are 27. So I cut it. Here what I left with? Minus 28. This minus sign will go with the numerator. Multiply minus 3. So now students, we multiply these two numbers and minus plus sign. So 8 3s are 24, 2 3 2s are 6. 7 8. It means 84. This is 84, our answer number 3. Now number 4 I will take. In this minus 48 multiply 17 upon minus 16. This is our question 4. So you see 16 3s are 48. And this is minus 3 और ये minus sign भी minus 17 से लग जाएगा. So 17 3s are
51 minus minus plus sign. So you see students how easily we are solving this. So this is our first answer, multiply number 3. This is number 4 answer 15. This is 84 answer question number 2 third, and 51. This is our number 4 answer of number 2. Now let us start third part. This is simplify type of question. It is given here. Simplify and express the result as rational number in standard form. So simplify and express in rational number. Okay. So this is our next question. Rational number. Okay now. So now let us start. Here also 4 questions. So I will take third one. Okay. This is the third. Simplified. So I am taking minus 15 upon 14. Multiply 112 upon minus 105. Okay. So now, first of all, let us check whether anything can be possible to cut. Yes. 15 sevens are. Right. So we can cut this. And 14. So this is 14 we can cut first by 2. So 7 twos are 14. And this is 5 twos are 10 and 6 twos are. So this is 7 eights are. We can cut. So in the numerator I left with minus 8. यहाँ पे minus sign है. And here also minus 7. So we can write minus minus will become positive. इसको cut नहीं करेंगे. Some students cut this. So please students, do not cut this the sign. Only you have to understand that whenever upside down negative, so it becomes positive. Okay. And I am taking fourth part now. So in this, we have minus 39 by 3. Multiply 19 by 5. Multiply minus 45 by 38. So this way the question number 4. Now you again have to check whether we can cut. Yes. First of all 13 threes are 39. Some students also ask me the questions that can we cut like this or this? No. Numerator to numerator or denominator to denominator you cannot cut. Only denominator to numerator only you can cut. And 5 nines are 45. Also 19 twos are 38. So here whatever we have cancellation I have done. Up here you see in the numerator. This is minus 13. Here nothing left. And here minus 9. In the denominator, here nothing left, only 2 left here. So I put here. Now 13 nines are 117. The answer is 117. And the denominator is 2. You see students now that in this question both are negative notes, so they become positive. 117 by 2. You can change this to mixed fraction. As you know, to mixed fraction कैसे convert करते हैं? Let me explain you here. 117 है, उसको हम 2 से divide करेंगे. So 2 5s are 10. 1 left, 7 we are taking down. And 7 8s are, 2 8s are 16. So 1 left. So you see this denominator will be in the denominator only, and the quotient will come that we will put as integer, and the remainder that I put.
Now students, I think all of you understand how to write in a mixed fraction. Actually it is not necessary, but you should know how to write it in a mixed fraction. many of the students are not knowing this method. That is why I explained to you. So you understand now, whenever it is denominator is smaller than the numerator. Now let us start exercise 3C, question number 4. That is simplify type of question. Question 4, simplify. Now in this also there are 3 questions, students. So I will solve 2 for you. The second and third I will solve for you. First you solve by yourself. So second is 26 by 9 multiply 3 by 7 in the bracket minus 13 upon 14 multiply minus 2 by 3. This is the question we are given, number 2. So first of all, students, whenever brackets are given, we have to solve the brackets. So we can cut the numbers in the bracket. 3 3s are 9. Now anything is not possible in the first bracket to cut. So let us move on to second bracket. Here 2 7s are 14. We can cut. Now you check. Is there anything we can cut? No. So stop here. Now in the numerator 26 is left. So I keep it as it is. In the denominator 7 3s are 21. Minus sign in between. 13 minus 13 it will be. Why? Because this minus sign. So it remain minus 1 here and 13 ones are minus 13. In the denominator 7 3s are 21. Okay, so both the denominators are same. We do not need to take LCM. So now minus minus plus. So 26 by 21 plus 13 upon 21. So we take addition of these two numbers. 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 1 3. 39 upon 21. Is it possible to cut upside down? Yes, 7 3s are and 13 3s are. So this is 13 by 7 as we have simplified this and write our answer. As I told you that when denominator is smaller than numerator, you can convert it into mixed fraction. So here 7 ones are 7 and 6. So that is 13. So now you can convert this way into mixed fraction, students. So now we take next question, that is question number 4, third. So now I am taking third here, simplified. That is, the question is like this, minus 3 by 2 multiply 4 by 5. In the bracket plus sign 9 by 5 multiply minus 10 by 3 minus 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 4. Here we have 3